Oli.
Okay. The first form is it says that the forms are transcendent. They do not exist in time and space. There is no particular time and space in which roundness exists. And if you analyze that, it says that basically when you say like, for example, here roundness, there is no like year where you say, oh, okay, yeah, well, roundness was discovered or was invented this year. No, there is actually it's just the idea, the concept that we have that of roundness. Okay, well, this is the first form. Okay.
The forms are pure because they only exemplify one property, such as circularity. Material objects are impure because they combine a number of properties such as blackness and hardness into one object. So, for example, the basketball, if it loses in material, doesn't matter, but if it loses its form, it will not be anymore a basketball.
Okay, I'm going to talk about form number 3 from Plato's ideas. It talks about the archetypes. For understanding this one, we first need to understand what an archetype means. What is it? It means an archetype that is like mass, something that people will use, and it's something that is pure. It will be copied and used. So this means that every form in Plato's idea is an archetype, and it's gonna be pure. If we use it, we are gonna explain ourselves, and the meaning will be more clear. So that means what this form is. If we use them, we are using an archetype.
Plato's fourth property of forms is that all forms are ultimately real. All the materials that exist in this world are just copies or images of the true forms, the ideas. The reality only comes from the forms. The ideas are perfect. All the materials that exist in this world are just our representation of those ideas.
Okay, number 5 says, the forms are the causes of all that exists in this world. They provide explanation of why anything is the way it is. This comes back to the example of the chair, that a chair, no matter how many legs it has, or if it's color red or blue, it will always stay the same. It will always be the idea of a chair. An idea was already created. It has always been there, so that is why they provide explanation of why anything is the way it is.
The forms are interconnected. This means that they all share a relationship with each other. They have something in common. One form will always lead to another form, and ultimately, you can never realize just one form, because since they are connected, you always obtain another form while realizing other things.
Don't drop that dirk, eh? Don't drop that dirk. Don't drop that dirk, eh? Don't drop that dirk.